This is a popular year and model for us here at Unique, especially in classics. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sport Sedan, dressed in black with the gray leather interior. This particular car powered by the 5.7 liter LT1 V8 engine underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the blacked out grille, front bumper on this one. Now, this particular car, a little over 50,000 miles on it. The first two owners of this car combined ownership of 24 years. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Now, as you can see, there's a nice reflection coming off that hood. You can see the sign that hangs on the wall next to where we shoot up the pictures and videos here. But of course, with any black car, original paint, and you're gonna show some little touch-ups, maybe a real light scratch here or there, but overall car shows well. But you got to take into consideration the age and the miles, riding on the original wheels. Now, if you wanted to see still pictures, so you can check out the underside of this interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let's get a good look up and down the side of the car here. And again, you're going to see the reflection coming off that black. Paint has a nice luster to it. And it's straight. It's not full of nicks, dings up and down the side. Also shows well. Interior, gray leather. Buckets, of course. Now, this car also will come with the window sticker, an original sales brochure from the showroom floor. And you can see those in the still pictures too. I have those pictured up. As far as that window sticker, you're going to see that this would have had the Impala SS package. Of course, it also has the SS Preferred Equipment Group, upgraded stereo, a couple other things on there. Go ahead and check out the still pictures for that window sticker. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This is one of those cars, if you look over here, it does come with a car cover in the trunk, and then it has floor mats for on the floor mats in the car. So pretty easy to tell this car, like I said, has been well taken care of. And we're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Check out that engine bay here in just a bit too. Rear bumper, rear end, also in nice shape. Of course, as far as rear end, this would have that G80 locking rear differential on the Impala SS. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out a picture of that window sticker. You can always give us a call at 507-386-1726 also. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. Also in nice shape, not full of nicks, dings. Looks good there also. And there's probably 100 pictures or so of this car online. Check out the reflection showroom behind me. Gives you an idea. Paint does show nice. All right, let's go ahead, check out this interior. Of course, we do have power seats on both sides, power windows, power mirrors, locks. Of course, tilt and cruise. Mentioned earlier, AC does blow cold. AM, FM, CD stereo system. That also is in fine working order. Let's go ahead and take a close look at these seats. As you can see, not showing much wear at all in the bolster area, or the seating area where you get in and out. Another thing, top of the dash, not sun-baked, not cracked. Sometimes you'll see that airbag cover peeling up. Looks good over there. Headliner also in nice shape. So you can tell this car has been stored indoors, well taken care of. All right. One other thing. Let's go ahead and start it off. I want to show you this before I forget. Well, first of all, check miles. 50,782. So there's your miles. Now, when I hit the power on the stereo here, we do have a power antenna. Power antenna is working. Like I said, stereo system. up a second for us here. There you go. So power antenna works. Stereo system working. I'll click that back off, run the antenna down. AC does blow cold. Had that going earlier. And antenna's completely down, so that's all good. 50,782. Of course, 96 would have the shifter on the center console. That is also in nice shape, as well as this passenger seat. Slip around to the rear so you can hear this run. No crazy engine mods that I can tell, exhaust, anything like that. Sounds the way it should. Like it would have when it left the showroom back in 96. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, let you check out the LT1 underneath there, and see how that engine bay looks. 5.7 liter, V8 powered. Does have a battery cutoff for storage. Turn that off if you're going to let it sit in storage in an amount of time. Good sounding engine. Reliable engines too. LT1 was a good power plant. Still is. There you go, 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sport Sedan, a little over 50,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.